ko dancer.
Hop!
Parang naglilinis lang ng floor. Gumaganon-ganon.
Kala ko ba Christmas?
You know, I have
Halloween?
very rich friends. I just want to ask your father. Father Dodo, the father of Ursula. I
Yes?
just want to ask something.
What do you want to ask?
Because I have many very rich friends. I just want to ask. Pumunta ka ba sa birthday ni Pacquiao? Kasi hindi ako pumunta. I was not invited. Are you? Are you invited?
No, I was busy. I was
Oh, yes.
with Mayweather, you know. No, just joking. Alden, that's your Lola?
Yes.
Yes, I'm the beautiful Lola of Aldrin.
Bakit parang kamukha ko yata? Hindi kaya magkamag-anak kami?
Yes, we have the same figure of the face. We are like kasoy.
Parang nagkalat ang mga manggarit.
One half kasoy, one half kasoy. Dodong and Lola Baba.
Babala!
Well,
Asawa ni Dodong.
Lola, can you come here? Join
Where?
us. Join us here in the studio.
No, I cannot join you there because I'm here in Switzerland.
Eh, parang...
Yes, Aldrin, you go here because we will go in Russia. We'll have our holiday. Holiday.
Baba.
Baba!
Doña Baba.
Doña Baba!
Bakit?
Ano?
Ano din?
Masaya ka na ba na nakuha mo na ang mansyon?
Well, ang utang ay utang. The loan is a loan. A debt is a debt.
Ano raw?
Ano? Ko alam.
A debt is a debt.
Bayan.
Binibigyan ko kayo ng mahabang,
Baba.
mas mahaba pa sa mukha ko, na panahon para dyan. Pero wala kayong ginawa. You didn't do anything. Pumunta ako dito para isama si Aldrin. Para nandyan naman, puro na lang Ursula. Aldrin, let's go in Russia. One more thing.
No, Lola, no.
I am here to say to all of you that the mansion is for sale.
Magkano? Magkano?
Magkano?
Hindi nyo kaya ng for sale. It's 200 million.
Ha? Ganon lang?
Yeah.
Ganon lang?
May pera.
200 million.
O, di sa'yo na yun.
Oh, well, you don't like to buy my mansion. But you know, is Alanki there? Alanki.
Opo, senyora, I'm here.
Alanki,
Yes?
may tanong ako.
Please go ahead.
Maganda ba ako, Alanki?
Oo naman.
Wow. Kala ko pagkakataon mo na eh.
Gusto mo ba,
Tingnan natin. Alanki, maganda ba ako?
kung hindi nauso ang tao, nauso.
Okay.
Gaganti ka ba?
Alanki,
Bakit po?
driver ka ba?
Bakit?
Ilabas mo na ulit ang kutsi.
Yo,
Yo!
baby.
Yes, Dodong. How are you?
I have a proposition to make.
What proposition do you like?
I want to buy your mansion.
Oh! No, Dodong. No!
Bakit no?
How much? Is the
No.
dog in the window?
You will first have a date with me before you can buy
Oy.
my mansion.
No more. I won't buy.
Okay. Why are you like that?
I'm serious.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a
I'm
stop.
serious. Two.
Hello? Hello, Rizky? Oh, you wanna pay for the mansion. Okay, I will meet you there.
Nako.
Excuse me, everybody, I have to go.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait!
There is something interested to buy our mansion. Meron na daw siyang dalang chiki. Chiki.
What chicken?
Do I want? I chiki.
No.
Hello.
I want to buy that mansion.
No.
I will double the price.
Yan!
Wow!
No pa rin ang sagot dapat. 400 na yun ah. Ay, hello? Oh, can you hear that? Oh, is triple. 600. Okay, 600. Wait. I will go there. Wait a minute. Okay, I will buy now. Oh, are you sure, ha? You didn't go to Pacquiao's party.
Sorry, Divina. Sayang. Kaya ko pa naman bilhin yung mansion na yun para sa inyo. Marami kaming memories doon ni Isadora. Di bale. Babawi ako sa'yo, Divina. Aalis ako na matagal, hindi na ako babalik, ha?
Ayaw na agad. Isang exposure lang.
Ay, naiiyak na naman.
Ayawan agad!
Babawi ako sa'yo, Divina. Divina, babawi ako. Ang totoo niyan, papalis ako mamayang gabi. I have a flight. Wish itong buhok na ito. Pwede naman kasing wala eh.
Nainitan na din.
Pawis na pawis yung one side. I have a flight to New York for my business trip, you know, the branches of my isaw. And ang gusto ko lang sana magkita tayo bago magpasko. Anak, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas po, tatay.
Maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at maka. Christmas won't be the same without you.
Go, Martis!
Sa piling ko sinta, paano ang bago? Inuling mo.
Mahal kita, anak, ha? Tatandaan mo yan. Mahal na mahal kita. Forgive me, but don't forget me. Wow. Merry Christmas, anak. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Makakabawi din ako sa'yo. Pero matatagalan, siguro.
Kaya alis agad kayo.
Hindi man ngayon sa mga darating na araw. Alden. Senyora Nidora.
Dodo.
Senyora Tinidora. Maraming salamat sa Maraming salamat sa pag-alaga niyo sa anak ko, ha?
Kausap ka.
Thank you very much.
Damat din.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Call me on my cell phone. Ain't that
Kuneho!
Call me on my cell phone.
Dodo, mga kuneho mo.
Ain't that when
Grabe si Dodo, may 7 dwarfs.
ain't no when that hotline bling. You know you want that.
Alden.
Tay.
Tatay mo?
Tito.
Tatay
Tito
mo?
lang. Aalagaan mo mabuti si anak ko, ha?
Opo, tay.
Ikaw ba kaya mong buhayin yung anak ko?
Kayang-kaya po, tay.
Masipag ka ba, Alden?
Masipag na masipag po, tay.
Marami ka bang racket?
Marami po, tay. Gabi-gabi may racket yan eh.
Marami ka bang mga ribbon cutting?
Marami.
Antindi niya.
Mga book launching?
Wala pa naman po.
Wala pa?
Opo.
Pagkor.
Meron. 35 na commercial niyan.
Bawal na daw i-plug, hindi nila kaya yung tao.
Guess pa sa Starstruck.
Ay, may isa suggest ako sa'yo. Minsan rumakit ka rin sa mga barat